Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gyani. This is Shaurya. Today I'm going to talk about how to run Android Studio without installing it in your system or in a computer. I know that many of you face this issue while running the Android Studio in your system because of the low requirements and because of the low efficiency. And I have also faced this issue because I have the low requirements in a system. So I have found the very unique site that is actually allowing you to run the Android Studio in web server itself, and not only the Android Studio but also the Visual Studio Code, also the PyCharm, also you can use the IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so there are many apps in this particular website and many apps are incoming. So this site is very much useful and this site is very much interesting. So without any wastage of time, let's get started. And if you like this video, please like it and also subscribe my channel to get connected. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the site is called neverinstall.com. The site is called neverinstall.com and it is actually allowing you to have the Android Studio in your web server and just use it in your web server itself. So how you can use it, we can look upon that. So at first this site is called Never Install. Just search in search bar that neverinstall.com. You can find this site and you have to log in. I have already logged in, so it is not showing up. Now we have to just create the plus link. Right now you can see there are many apps and you can use it in this server actually. So there are Chrome, there is Eclipse, there is Firefox, VS Code, Brave Browser, Android Studio, IntelliJ, Jupyter, PyCharm, Slack, Telegram, even Telegram is there. So there are many apps and many apps are actually incoming. So this site is going to explode in the future because we can't, like in Android Studio you can face this issue that you can't run system very efficiently, but in this site you can use it. We will show in this video. So let's we just choose the Android Studio because this video actually consisted of the Android Studio. So we will use the Android Studio. So just click the Android Studio and this feature will come up and this page will come up. You have to just select the region. My region is India, and then just you have to just select launch. Okay, so after clicking launch, this Android Studio will be building. This site is actually building your app in Android Studio. So the app is actually Android Studio and this site is actually building up. So just stick for some moment and then you will find this launch button. Just click it, and after clicking this launch button you will find this site or you will find this page that will be opened up, and you have to you can also install the Never Install app in your desktop just to have a good efficiency. So just cross it and you just make sure that you are using the site itself, right? So here is the actual page and now you can just use it, right? So there is a close button, you can just close it. Just let me full screen. Okay, so you can see that. Just the disadvantage is that this window is actually a bit smaller, but it is not going to hamper your project, okay, or your efficiency. So just like you can see that you can use file and then just create new and the new project, right? And just a basic activity you can see, and now you can just give any name. Okay, you can see the efficiency of the system. And low requirements of a computer, it will be very much difficult to use this because oftentimes the screen will be hanged up. Okay, so then we'll just click on the finish button, right? Then the app will be built up. Okay, so just like that you can just use the Android Studio in the site itself. It is a very interesting app, it is a very useful app. You can see this, the page is opened up, the platform is opened up. You can use it and you can just code and build any app. Okay, you can also download it from the site itself, right? This is a very interesting app. Now apart from the Android Studio, we can also use many apps. So let's take another example, right? So VS Code. Okay, we are taking the VS Code. Then in India we are just launching it. You can just take any programming language. I am taking Python. Okay, so see, this site is absolutely very much useful, right? This site is actually building your VS Code app. So make sure you share this video to every your friends and like and subscribe my channel to get more updates. Okay, so let's just launch it and you will find VS Code in your server. That's very interesting, right? So no no pressure of installing any app. You can easily stream this app in your web server and you can easily use it, right? So it is loading our stream. There are some network issues, so that this actually lagging, but this site is very much useful, right? So yeah, I trust the author's trust folder and you can easily use it. Okay, file, new file. Okay, so just like that you can easily use it. Just I am taking the C. Okay, just like that. Okay, so you can easily code it. So this is absolutely very useful site, and please share this video to your friends, and you can after sharing, your friends will be very much helpful for this particular site. So this is it, guys. I think this video is going to help you a lot, because this issue is very ongoing, like you are facing this issue very much also. So guys, if you like this video, please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more updates on many tech stuffs and also in the placement preparation and interviews. So till then, goodbye.